Alright, what's up guys? I'm going to do a quick unboxing for you real quick. I ordered these on Nike.com. I'm sure by the title you already know what it is, but let's get into it real quick. This was an online release only, Footlocker.com and Nike only, so it was pretty difficult to get. Alright, and here's my invoice from Nike. Lebron Preheat, size 11, $250. After tax, it came to like $265. Alright, here we go, guys. Man, definitely excited about this, man. This is my favorite LeBron 11 colorway so far out of all of them. I know they've announced a couple, but this right here, this colorway is amazing. Alright, so we have the LeBron 11 Preheat, size 11. Style code 626376, color code 800. Suggested retail $250. Comes in the LeBron slide out box. The LeBrons, James, flipped upside down. Alright, let's get into this. There we have it. What a beautiful shoe, man. Icy clear bottom. LeBron James signature. And it's so light. This is my first LeBron 11. I haven't picked up any of the other colorways, but it is so light. I'm so shocked by how light this is. Beautiful shoe.